Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, privacy glass. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.